Muchos problemos.
Well, good day there, and welcome back to Two Buddies Custom. Because I'm still pretty much in the tip-dipping phase of learning how to TIG weld, I frequently need to resharpen my tungstens. Now, unfortunately, in the process of reorganizing the workshop, I've damaged the safety guard for my bench grinder. Now, here at the Two Buddies Custom workshop, we take safety very seriously, and this will not do. So today's little side project is going to be fixing this guard, and I thought I'd take you along for the ride. Now, fortunately, in aforementioned reorganization of the workshop that broke said guard, I also came across this, some 3mm clear acrylic, and that's going to be perfect for the job. Let's get to it. So it's going to be a relatively quick and easy fix. All I need to do is trace this out, cut it out. I think I'm going to repurpose this as a mounting point onto the grinder because it just saves a lot of faffing about. But in the famous words of Bebop, if it's worth doing, it's worth overdoing, so we're going to overdo it. Now, Perspex is a thermoform plastic, so you can form it and shape it using heat. And I kind of want to try something here. Now, as a man watching television, I'm led to believe that certain products perform better with wings. So I'm going to put some wings on here for extra protection and then form them. Right, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my wings about 20mm or so for no specific reason, but I am going to put them on the side because that's where the wings go. Right, template has been transferred. What I'm going to do now is cut it out with a jigsaw, and I put a little bit of scrap cardboard underneath here because although this got a protective film on there, I just want to reduce the risk of scratching it. Right, so that's the cutout done. So the next step is going to be cut that bit off and then shape this here to engage into that recess over there. Alright, so these have been shaped and that's quite a nice fit. Before I marry these two up though, I'm going to shape the wings, and for that what I want to do is make a little jig, and I'm going to route a radius corner on a bit of timber to form that over, and what I'm going to use for that is this 12.7mm cutter that I've got in my router. Now why a 12.7 you ask? Well, because I think it's going to work, but also because that's the bit that happens to be in there and I can't find the spanner. Right, so that was the shaping done, and I think it turned out pretty nice. Now these edges aren't bad, but I'm going to try flame polishing them. Now I don't know if I'm pushing my luck with things I've never done before, but let's see how it turns out. you go, all glued and screwed, and I must say I'm pretty pleased with how it's turned out. Only thing is, I need 2 of them. I'm not going to film the other one, so if you want to see me make that one, just watch the video again. Well, finally I can get on with grinding my tungstens. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and please consider clicking like and subscribing to the channel. See you next time.